Hello, today I want to look at one of my favourite chemical families. I want to look at sesquiterpenols. So the reason I like it is for lots of reasons. I love the chemistry of it. So it's got 15 carbon atoms and it possesses at least one hydroxyl functional group. So very powerful, but the beautiful thing about this family is their aroma. So they tend to be quite earthy and woody, and they evaporate slower than monoterpenols, which is brilliant because if you are trying to make an emotional blend or something that has a lasting aroma, then I always reach for this family. And in particular, I really like santalol, which is one of the components. And santalol tends to be quite high in sandalwood. It's at about 38-39% in sandalwood. So the blend I'm going to make today with you guys is a love blend. So you can use your imagination, but the love blend is wonderful in romantic situations. It's brilliant as a massage oil. So if you want to just scale up this blend, I'm going to make a 10ml roller blend today. But if you want to scale it up and make a 50ml blend or 100ml, then it's a beautiful massage oil to use with your partner. But one of the reasons that the love oil is really, really helpful is if you're working on some self-love. So whether you meditate or not, and you're just working on building and restoring and getting comfortable with self-love, then this blend is the one to help you do that. So the essential oils I'm going to use here are quite exotic, quite sensual, and you will know that by them it's the scent and the emotion that matters to me here, less so the chemistry, which is quite new for me because chemistry is my thing. So we use sandalwood, Mandarin red, rose absolute, Ylang Ylang, and nutmeg. So I have just took 10 ml of argan oil. You can use any base you like, and I'm going to use sandalwood. So I'm going to use 3 drops of sandalwood, and while I pour sandalwood, which is quite a slow pour, I want to just talk to you about the sustainable aspect of sandalwood. Sandalwood's Australian, and if you are aware, it is becoming a rare essential oil. We don't want to get to the point where we can't have it or have it as an option in our kits. So please make sure when you're buying sandalwood that you get it from a sustainable source. Either directly from a distiller or from a supplier that you trust, that you know is ethical, that you know don't adulterate their oils, and that are working with distillers that are sustainable. I get mine from Aromatics International in Montana, so I trust them completely. They are a brilliant supplier, and my sandalwood comes from them, so totally sustainable. Then we are going to use Mandarin red. So Mandarin red is going to go in at 3 drops. And Mandarin red is really interesting in this blend actually. It mightn't feel like it makes sense in a love blend, but actually I use Mandarin red for the friendship element of love, because with love should come friendship, especially if you're working on self-love. So it's my go-to to help build that friendship element of love. Then we have rose absolute. So I'm going to use the Peptite with rose absolute. Just because it's a bit thick, it does pour, but it can be a wee bit thick. The rose absolute is beautiful. It's very expensive, so I use it sparingly. So it's going in here in 2 drops. But you can't really make a love blend without rose absolute. That would make no sense. Then we're going to use Ylang Ylang. So Ylang Ylang is in here for a few reasons. It's sedative, wonderful for anxiety, and it helps bring you to that place of euphoria. So if it is a romantic environment or a self-love environment, you want to feel elated and euphoric, and Ylang Ylang will help bring you to that place mentally. So I'm just going to use 2 drops of my Ylang Ylang, which smells beautiful. So as you can see, there's a pattern here. The aromas of these blends are beautiful, so you can imagine how incredible this blend smells. And then we have nutmeg. So nutmeg is only going in a 1 drop. And nutmeg, I love this nutmeg. It's from Sri Lanka, and it's brilliant for that. It's mostly going in here for the scent. It is aphrodisiac, but it's going in here for the exotic sensual aroma that it brings. And I just need 1 drop. There we go. So that's it. It's quite an exotic blend. It has all the good things in life in here. So it, as I say, is brilliant in a roller, very convenient in a roller, and brilliant for meditation or yoga, or just when you're taking some time out. Whatever that is for you. You simply blend them together in your hand. Use it as a roller blend. It smells absolutely incredible. So try it and let me know what you think, whether you use it in a romantic environment or whether you use it for yourself. Let me know what you think of the love blend.